much fun. This is something which I've never done ever before in my life.
I've been on Zap platform since last 2.5 months, I guess.
Been associated with the Zap program since April. It's about 4 months or so now.
It was a pure experiment that I did with one car of Zap Subscribe, and I loved it so much that today I have 5 cars with Zap Subscribe.
I was very surprised that I got a call in 3 days and they said, okay, I can get a car much earlier than what I wanted. The first beneficial thing is the down payment, which doesn't goes out of your pocket.
I use vehicle on weekends only. It is a better option to subscribe a car instead of buying.
My car is standing there for a longer duration, and that time I can list it on the Zoom car platform. And that way I'm able to offset the costs and bring down my monthly rental to a great extent. So that way, yes, it does help.
Zoom car is bearing all the maintenances and service taxes and all the other things like insurance or roadside assistance. So I think it is a good thing for me as a subscriber. So
I like the fact that I get to drive around in different cars with him. My sole purpose is getting solved. I get to drive around in different cars. You see variety.
Ease with which we can subscribe the app, it's very user friendly, and also it gives a lot of data back when I'm completing a ride or I'm giving the car back for subscription again. So it's very easy for use.
I think this is the only program presently with a business model of this kind. So let's see. There's no competition for the time being.
Off-roading is for everyone. Let me just say that, because once you drive here, you'll be surprised at your own capabilities and what these vehicles are capable of. Okay. If you accelerate, you'll not understand what the crawling capability of the vehicle is or the engine braking.
Today we did the off-roading experience here, and it was an amazing adventure trip here. It's still going on.
First time, and let's see. I haven't done anything like this before, and that's the whole idea of coming here and experiencing the thrill and fun of it. And I'm just looking forward to a great afternoon going forward.
this is the great platform for me to learn new skills in the off-roading, and it's a good thing.
Oh, it was great. I've never experienced something like this. It was very great.
We did 3 rides so far, and it's an experience which I had been waiting for a long time.
Thank you very much to Zoom Cars that they have invited us, and it was a wonderful experience so far, and I'm looking forward to it that the experience even grows better.
Zap Subscribe rocks!
Keep doing, keep subscribing!